Welcome to part 2 of our section 2.4 Intro to Proofs. This is preview activity 2. So we're given this sentence right here. There exists an x in the real numbers such that x times y equals 100. Okay, why is this sentence not a statement? Well, x is a closed variable because it has a quantifier in front of it, but y is an open variable. And so any sentence with an open variable is an open sentence. Any sentence with an open variable is an open sentence, otherwise known as a predicate. So a predicate is not a statement. So a predicate you can think of as like a function that takes different values of y and gives you statements. So I substitute 5, yes, it's a statement. And then it's also true because 100 divided by 5 is 20. So 20 times 5 will give you 100. Similarly, it's a sentence if you substitute -3. And then it's true because you can pick -100 divided by 3. And similarly, it's a sentence if you substitute pi because and it's true because you can find 100 divided by pi. That's in the numbers, so that works out. Now, this sentence, it's an open sentence, so it's a predicate, which means it has a truth set. And so the truth set, we'll use set builder notation with the set and then condition. So the truth set is x in the real numbers such that x is not equal to 0. Really, I should have said y. That's a typo. Just pretend there's y there. Let me just annotate this little typo. We'll fix that typo. Okay. So y is the open variable in the real numbers such that y is not equal to 0. Now, why is that my truth set? All real numbers, I can find another real number to multiply times it to get 100, except 0, because 0 times anything is 0. That's why. So, anyway, that is that. Let's clear that off. Okay. Now, number 6a, we move on to this statement. For all y in the real numbers, there exists an x in the real number such that x times y equals 100. Now, is this statement true or false? Explain. So for any y, there exists an x such that x times y is 100. Well, no, because as we just talked about in the last one, if y is 0, then there doesn't exist a number to multiply to get 100, because 0 times anything will be 0. So false. So write it in the form of an English sentence. For any real number y, there exists a real number x such that x times y is 100. Okay, now think about this one. So we swap the x's and y's. So there exists an x in real numbers such that for all y in real numbers, x times y equals 100. Is this statement true or false? It is false. So you're picking a number first, and then you're saying, any other number I multiply by, I get 100. That would be ridiculous. So it's false. So in English, there exists a real number x such that for any real number y, x times y equals 100, which is ridiculous. False. Okay, that concludes our preview activity 2.